Layout planning models and designs. It is crucial to develop the layout as it establishes the spatial links between organizational operations. When creating layout, the facilities planner must be both imaginative and thorough. So these are the basic layout types. First, product or line layout. All the processing equipment and machineries are arranged according to the sequence of operations of the product. The layout is called product type of layout. Second, process or functional layout. The machines are not arranged according to the sequence of operations, but are arranged according to the nature or type of operation, particularly useful where low volume of production is needed, commonly suitable for non-repetitive jobs. Third, fixed position layout. The major component remains in a fixed location. Other materials, parts, tools, machinery, manpower, and other supporting equipment are brought to this location. Fourth, combination layout. Mixtures of the three main layout types, or hybrid layouts. Flexibility is a very important factor, so layouts should be such which can be molded according to the requirements of the industry. If the good features of all types of layouts are connected, a compromise solution can be obtained which will be more economical and flexible. Fifth, cellular layout. It is an equipment layout configured to support cellular manufacturing. Cellular manufacturing is a type of layout where machines are grouped according to the process requirements for a set of similar items, part families that require similar processing. Sixth, warehouse or storage layout. Order frequency is a key factor in which items that are ordered frequently should be placed close together near the entrance of the facility, while those ordered less frequently should remain in the rear of the facility. Pareto analysis is an excellent method for determining which items to place near the entrance. And lastly, retail layout. While layout design is much simpler for small retail establishments, retail stores, unlike manufacturers, must take into consideration the presence of customers and the accompanying opportunities to influence sales and customer attitudes. For example, supermarkets place dairy products near the rear of the store so that customers who run into for a quick gallon of milk must travel to other sections of the store. This increases the chance of customers seeing an item of interest and making an impulse buy.
Developing facility layout and design alternatives. Facility layout and design is crucial to the overall operations of business, both for the demands and welfare of the workers and for maximizing the efficiency of manufacturing process. The basic objective of the layout is to make sure that work, materials, and information flow smoothly through a system. The basic meaning of facility is the space in which a business activities takes place. The layout and design of the space have a significant impact on how the work is carried out, such as the movement of work, supplies, and information through a system. The key to good facility layout and design is the integration of the needs of people, personnel and customers, materials, raw, finishes, and in-process, and machinery in such way that create a single well-functioning system.
The nature of facilities planning. Facility planning supervises the management and maintenance of facilities as well as the planning, programming, designing, and construction approach that goes into in order to accomplish organizational goals. Example of facilities are office buildings, school, universities, healthcare, institutions, and airports. Facility planners deal with methodologies of planning, programming, managing, running, and assessing facilities if there is a behavioral, managerial, or functional component to workflow optimization within the intended region. The repercussions of facilities on organizational and individual effectiveness, as well as the implementation of innovative working methods in those facilities, are studied by facility planners.
The location of the facility refers to its position with relation to clients, suppliers, and other facilities with which it shares a border. In the framework of the global supply chain, location must consider global transportation economics, port of entry, cost of fuel, and total delivery cost of the products to end consumers. Placement and orientation on a particular plot of land is another element of location. Facility systems, the layout, and the handling system are design components of a facility. The facility systems include the structural systems, the atmospheric systems, the enclosure systems, the lighting or electrical or communication systems, the life safety systems, and the sanitation systems. The layout refers to the entire equipment, machinery, furnishings inside the buildings, while the handling system comprises of the mechanism needed to suit the required facility interactions. The facility systems for a manufacturing organization may consist of envelope, structure and enclosure components, power, light, gas, heat, ventilation, air conditioning, and water to the delight of the ultimate consumers.
Significance of facilities planning. Health corresponds to a worker's or employee's sound body and mind, which enables them to execute their duties in a regular manner. Safety defines the physical or environmental aspects of a job that comply with established occupational safety and health or OSH standards and permit employees to do their duties with a minimum amount of exposure to risks. Occupational safety refers to the method used in work process and manufacturing. It is imperative that the obligations about occupational safety and health standards to be taken into account during the original design stage of a new facility or the redesign and revamping of the existing facility due to its stringent requirement and its corresponding penalties if not met with. The purpose of which is to provide adequate consideration to health and safety regulations and to eliminate or reduce potentially harmful circumstances in the workplace.